Can you solve this nice exponential equation? 4 power x plus 16 power x is equal to 64 power x. Find the value of x. So we have 4 power x plus 16 power x is equal to 64 power x. Now we divided by 4 power x in both sides. So divided by 4 power x divided by 4 power x divided by 4 power x. So this 4 power x, this 4 power x will be cancelled. So here 1. Now we have 1 plus, here we see x same power but different base. So we apply this exponential rule that a power n of b power n is equal to a by b bracket common power is n. So it will be 16 over 4 bracket common power is x is equal to, here we apply again this exponential rule because here x same power but different base. Here n same power but different base. So it will be 64 over 4 bracket common power is x. In the next step we have 1 plus 16 divided by 4, that means it will be 4 power is x is equal to 64 divided by 4, that means it will be 8. 64 divided by 4, that means it will be 16 power is x. In the next step we have 16 power x is same as 4 power 2 bracket power x is equal to 1 plus 4 power x. In the next step here we apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So it will be 4 power x bracket power 2, then this plus 4 power x take to the left side, so this will be minus 4 power x, and also this plus 1 take to the left side, so this will be minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we see 4 power x both term is same. So let 4 power x is substituted by k. So this equation will be k power 2 minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we apply quadratic formula, so you can write here k is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4 ac divided by 2a. Here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to minus 1, c will be equal to minus 1. So it will be k is equal to minus b, that means negative 1, so it will be bracket negative 1 plus or minus a square root of b square, that means negative 1 bracket a square minus 4 times a, that means it will be 1 times c, that means it will be bracket negative 1 divided by 2 times a, that means 1. In the next step k is equal to minus times negative 1, so it will be positive 1, then plus or minus a square root of -1 bracket square, so it will be +1, minus times minus, so it will be plus, 4 times 1 times 1, that means 4, divided by 2 times 1, that means 2. Now we see here two cases, so I can write here k is equal to 1 plus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means 5, divided by 2, or k is equal to 1 minus a square root of 1 plus 4, that means it will be 5 divided by 2. Now remember that k, that means 4 power x. So k, that means it will be 4 power x is equal to 1 plus a square root of 5 over 2, or k, that means 4 power x is equal to 1 minus a square root of 5 over 2. Now this power x, imagine that any number, so 4 power any number is always positive. Here 1 minus a square root of 5 divided by 2, this is must be negative, so positive cannot be equal to negative, so reject this. Now from here we apply log in both sides, so log of 4 power x is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 over 2. Now this power x will move to the base, so it will be x log 4 is equal to log of 1 plus a square root of 5 over 2. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log 4 in both sides, so divided by log 4 divided by log 4, so this log 4 will be cancelled, so here x is equal to this divided by log 4, so it will be log of 1 plus a square root of 5 over 2 base of 4. So this is the value of x, this is our final answer. Please do like this video and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.